If you're looking to enhance your chest muscles for eye-catching results at the gym or beach, focus on intensifying your workouts and consuming enough calories to support muscle growth. Incorporate explosive weight training by lifting quickly and using precise techniques, such as performing the concentric phase fast and the eccentric phase slowly. Aim for heavy weights that challenge you and gradually increase the weight over time while allowing your muscles ample recovery. Effective exercises include bench presses and flies, which should be done with proper form and with a spotter when lifting to failure. Consider incorporating supersets and drop sets to maximize muscle fatigue and to add variety to your routine with push-ups, dips, and chin-ups to strengthen your overall upper body. Remember to balance weight training with moderate cardio for optimal health and recovery.